Welcome to Infintor Solutions. We are a global IT consulting and development company with a strong presence in India, Germany, Japan, and the Middle East. At Infintor, our mission is simple: to help businesses work smarter through the power of technology, automation, and data. Whether you are looking to streamline operations, develop applications, or make smarter decisions with data and analytics, we have got you covered. Our team brings a decade of experience combined with the cutting-edge technologies. We deliver scalable, cost-effective, and tailored solutions across industries. We offer both project-based and hourly engagement models. Our team includes professionals fluent in English, German, Japanese, and multiple Indian languages, ensuring smooth communication across regions. So let's collaborate and build something impactful together. I'm Jitin Nadwat, co-founder of Infintor Solutions. Thanks for watching.